Hey guys, welcome back to the channels. I've just come down to Screwfix in Cleckheaton to buy another Erbuaer tool, a power tool. Thought I'd increase my collection today because I do need a new grinder. So here it is, just let me grab this. This is the Erbuaer. It is a EAG900 115, which means 115 millimeters, so that's like a 4.5 inch disc. And it is a 900 watt. Now I was looking at the other power tools they had available and none of them were 900 watt, I don't think. There was one around 800 watt, I think. I thought, let's go with this, let's stick with the Erbuaer tools for now, and I'll continue my Erbuaer collection. So this is going to be another on-site unboxing and review, so we'll get back to site now and get it all unboxed for you. Hey guys, this is the unboxing part of the video. Here we have the Erbuaer angle grinder. Like I said, I've just bought this from Screwfix. The boxes have a lot of detail on, as it points out in the pictures, what the features are of the angle grinder. So this unlocks the guard so you can move it around, so you've got angle, and obviously this gives you a picture of the guard itself. And you've got the side handle there for easy grip. Got the lock button at the top so you can lock the blade in. Not sure what that one is. That's the lock button there, sorry. So that's the lock button there. I'm not sure what that is. We'll probably find that out in a minute. And you've got a variety of pictures that tell you what it's got. Now we've got the 150mm blade by 22.23mm. That's the bore of the blade. So here I've got a blade. This is 85mm. So the middle section is what they call the bore. So when you're ordering these, you need to get the right bore so that it fits onto the grinder itself. So let's get this opened. I'm using one hand to do this because we are on site. I don't bring a tripod with me. There we go. So here we have the 3 meter cord, as you would expect from an Erbuaer tool. They're all 3 meters long with a standard UK 3-pin plug. There's a plastic guard here which goes under there. This actually goes on to the silver bit here, I believe. It just clips on like that. So not entirely sure why they've done that. Might become clear in the instructions, I don't know. But yeah, it's got a plastic guard for the outer silver bit. Fairly standard. You have two like feet on the bottom, that's so you can rest it down like that, so it's upside down. It keeps it all sturdy. You've got the lock discs there, which can be undone with the spanner there. So when you're locking your blade in, you can use this to lock it in. And obviously you press the button there to lock the blade in place. So when you tighten it back up, you can get a nice good grip with the locking discs. The handle has two positions. You can either attach the handle to the side, or you can actually attach it to the top if you need to. Now, I've not seen many angle grinders that have that feature, so that's always a good thing. So you can have it there, or you can have it on the other side, whichever you prefer, left or right-handed. Has a nice trigger switch. Again, these should lock in place like so. It locks in place, giving you one finger touch release. This is so you can shut it off quickly if you need to. There you go. So I think that's about it for the grinder. We'll put it into use now because I need to cut some tiles with it. I'll find a blade to put on it and then we'll show you it working. So that's a 115mm blade, which equates to 4.5 inches. So they've stamped that on the guard there so you know clearly what you need to use. And that's great. That's always a good thing. So I've got a disc here ready to go in the grinder. I've undone the locking plates off the grinder because I'm using one hand, as I've explained before. Now when you notice the locking plates that come off the grinder, you have like a ridge on one side and on the other side it's flat. So you need to make sure it's on right, because otherwise the blade will just spin and you won't get any grip on the locking wheel. You need to push the button in at the bottom and then use the spanner to tighten it up as far as it will go, and it will tighten the blade up. So that should now be okay to use once we get that tightened up. So I am putting the drill into the spanner with the blade attached, and you can see I've got a black guard pushed through the grinder, making sure there's no loose bits coming out. That's what the black guard is for. There I'm just drawing a line with a diamond cut blade on for the tiles. The grip is really easy to use. It's got a nice big gearbox, not wiggling about like some grinders do. It's actually quite smooth and easy to operate. Now what I'm doing is I'm just trimming the edges off the grinder. This is actually a section that I took out for a foil pipe, and now just trimming off the edges. Make sure it fits right, and it should be okay then. There you can see me using the Erbuaer angle grinder. It's been a really good demonstration, that actually, because of actually being able to use the tool itself on site and show you how it works and everything. Using it one-handed while I was holding the camera just for a few minutes, just so you could see me using it, and it was really nice grip. It didn't judder about too much, has quite a good smooth gearbox on it, which is important when you're trying to do some sort of delicate work. As you can see there, I've just cut the tile with it to go around a toilet soil pipe, so that's made a right nice neat job of that, so that should be okay. So yeah, that's the Erbuaer EAG900-115 angle grinder. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in another video very soon. Thanks for watching.